Okay, welcome. This video is going to show you how I would like for you to submit assignments on Schoology using Notability. A couple of things I do want to show you about Notability. Let's say you want to submit, let's say you already have a PDF on here, you've annotated it, and you only need to submit a couple of pages, not the entire packet. Then what you want to do is share or send, and then there should be a way to go ahead and do other apps. Okay, and then you make sure that PDF is checked. And then right here where it says page range, okay, you can highlight or deselect pages that aren't to be submitted yet. So like for example here I'm just submitting page 1, let's say, and then you go back and then that's it. Okay, from here you can share note. And then you should be able to, if Schoology is not, there it is. If Schoology is not an option, just go to more and it should pop up. And then from there, I think you guys know what to do. Let's say that you do not have electronic version complete, and you've done, paper and pen or paper and pencil, and you want to submit an assignment there. So I'll just show you how to do multiple pages at a time, so you can create a single file. Because on Schoology, it's kind of hard to have like 10 different files for one assignment. So you can still use Notability, but now up in the right corner where you import, there should be a document scan feature there. If there's not, I'd recommend just updating your app so that you can get that. And then now the nice thing is, let's just take some paper that I have here. It will automatically just walk you through what to do. Take the picture. Looks good, so keep scan. And let's say we have, again, multiple pages that we wanted to do. So we can just try again with the second page. Take the picture once it's registered that it's got a page to scan. Keep that scan. And now you can see at the bottom you'll start to get a collection of pages, right? So once you've scanned all the pages, you're going to press save, import as a PDF, and then it should automatically put that into your Notability, and then of course you can rename it, but there it is, okay? And then now you're going to go ahead and share or send to Notability just like I showed you a little bit ago. All right, so that should do it. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.